Ragazzi, un qualcosa di straordinario, incredibile, veramente, veramente l'evento Amiga più grande in assoluto. Non ho mai visto così tanti tavoli, così tante persone e così tanti ex ingegneri Commodore tutti insieme. Una cosa veramente fighissima, ragazzi. Ecco qui, abbiamo come sempre il buon Enrico Vidale. So cool. I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy.
shift down. We're there. 8 steps, not 72. This should really speed things up. And so instead of taking so many software steps, you can be quicker with hardware.
To me, that's all it was. I enjoyed it. Don't get me wrong, I enjoyed every single minute of it. And 42 years later, I still have the same passion. But it was just a job that paid the bills. And if anyone had walked in and said, the video game industry died 5 minutes ago, we all would have gone and worked in a factory or something. We never thought it had legs. We never thought it had longevity. Because we never bought into the hype that we and what we were creating was anything special. It was entertaining, but we weren't rock stars. And anyone who says they were, fucking lying.
You said you're right, it was extremely difficult. modern games. That's the key thing about them. Any game like that, it's always a real struggle. It always takes longer than you think. And everyone's going crazy and you think you're never going to finish. Sometimes you know it. A lot of game projects go wrong. So it is nice when you get through it, the game comes out, it gets good reviews, play it, as 25, 30 years later, people are asking just to sign the same game. It's really great. We really appreciate it because we're still making games. Because we love making games and what else we can do. Without the players, there'd be nothing. So thank you everyone.
This art style that becomes to reflect the characters, the personality, this development creativity.
I joined Sensible when we were finishing Amiga, so that style.
Just play your choice of out of ideas, ECS or 60. Believe me. No, I like 88. I love the children. And what they did is they did the new video mode, they are talking to the net all the fucking time.
Ragazzi, questa è la scena di Amiga 40. Ecco qua, tantissime persone.